Hi, hello Deviants, welcome back to another video. So previously I had told you since my ZX10RR was standing for a long time, the fork seal was broken. So it was leaking oil from the right side fork tube. So I had left my bike with the mechanic, my mechanic who takes care of my bikes day before yesterday. So he said it's ready, bike is ready now. So now we will go there and get our Tiger back home. So see you at the garage guys.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, I am at the garage right now, so take a look at this. It's called the Motorrad House. It's here in Hormao Road, actually Hormao Main Road, Bangalore. So I'll leave a link in my description to the location. Go check it out. So this is where my mechanic is, Mr. Manju. So before we go in, we have a special bike here, R6. Do you see that, guys? I don't know who that bike belongs to, but I just thought I should show you. So let's go inside, and my black Tiger is all ready. Check this out. So the right side fork seal is now fixed. Everything is replaced and it's ready to roar. So meet Mr. Manju here. Hi Manju. Hi. So he's our main mechanic. So he deals with Triumph, Kawasaki and KTMs. So in case you guys want your bikes to be serviced, or if there's any issue, you can get in touch with this guy here at the Motorrad House. So he'll get things sorted for you. So he used to maintain my Daytona 675R when I had it. So now my 10RR. So like I said, he deals with mainly Triumph, KTM and Kawasaki. Please remember that, because if you want his service with other brands, then it might be a little challenging for him, because he'll have to source parts from outside and stuff. So if you have the parts and stuff, it's still fine. So anyways, you just give it a check with him. So that's about the Motorrad House. Let's take this black Tiger home now. Sorry Manjore, thanks a lot. Sigana. Feeling so satisfied right now, guys. Finally, Tiger is ready to roar. So it's too sunny outside, man. Alright guys, let's go. Let's kill it. So also guys, the horn was not working. See, these bikes, especially the Kawasaki's, they have this common problem. What Manju says is that when the engine becomes hot, right, so because of the heat, the diaphragm in the horn will get short. So it kind of melts the diaphragm in the horn. So it will stop working. So he has replaced the horn now. It's working perfect. Hear it. It really doesn't matter for these bikes if it has a horn or not, but still, at low speeds, at tight traffic, you will need the horn. So I got it replaced anyways, because you cannot always rev and annoy people. Some people will get offended. Thanks. And also the suspension was very stiff. For our roads, if you have stiff suspension, you're a dead man. I mean, it's good for racing and going high speed and all that, but to commute like this, that will make your life so horrible, the stiff suspension setup. So I had to soften it a little bit. Now it's all perfectly fine to ride on roads. This is a track bike, man. What can we expect? Anyways, it's soft now. It's on the softer side. So much traffic today, bro. I don't know why all Saturdays will be like this. God damn. On it. So yes guys, coming back to the service, when I had the Z1000, right, I used to service it at Kawasaki Center only. So that's because Mr. Manju's garage was too far from my house at that point. He had his garage in New Bell Road, I guess. So New Bell Road is like 1.5 to 2 hours journey from my home. So I was not taking the Z1000 to Manju at that point of time. So now recently, last year, he has shifted to Hormao. Hormao is like maximum 30 minutes from my house. So I thought, thank God, my life is a lot easier now. Because even the Kawasaki service center is too far from my house, guys. It almost takes 1 hour 30 minutes minimum. And the biggest problem is you have to travel inside city for it. I don't know the routes and stuff. I have to keep checking the map and go there. It's a big mess, guys. Whenever I used to take my Z1000 for service, I felt like my full day is wasted, because I can't do anything else. Getting the bike there and getting it serviced and back home, that's it. Your day is done. What the hell is wrong with this guy? So now, since Manju has set up garage in Hormao, my life is a lot easier now. I can come here 30 minutes, take the bike and go 30 minutes again. My work will be done in 1 hour, 2 hour max. So Manju, if you're watching this video, thanks a lot. I'm loving the bike now. You've done a great job on it with the fork seals and the suspension setup, and also the horn. Helps a lot, man. You want me to rev here? No matter how old I get, I won't stop doing that, brah. Bike is feeling fantastic. So for roads like this, if the suspension is a little bit soft, it's gonna help you a lot. Bike will feel too smooth. So finally, guys, the Black Tiger is ready to roar. Let's start ruling the roads. Riding super bikes inside city is like a punishment, guys. You will seriously hate it. There is no point at all riding bikes like this in these traffic kind of roads. I can't wait to hit the highways, man. I'm gonna take a highway to my home. My way is the highway, brah. So Manju has even got the bike washed, cleaned and stuff. Super cool, brah. The air filter is cleaned. He did a general checkup, so no problem with the bike whatsoever now. Do you see that, guys? I'm a dead man. Bengaluru. No matter what is the scene with corona, world war, bombing, terrorists, nothing, your traffic will never end. So do you see that hanging bridge over there? That's where we are gonna go now. It's finally you and me time, baby. Lot of wind today, bro. God damn it, I feel like I'm doing 250 plus. So much wind. Alright guys, the game begins from now, so stay subscribed and stay tuned. Hit that bell icon to get notified instantly whenever I upload a video. My time on the Black Tiger starts from now, so I'll see you soon in another video. You guys take care. Peace.